Hello, my beautiful people. Yeah, welcome back again to our YouTube channel. If this is the first time, subscribe, also share us out. I remember W. Ella Soda Digide. You know, way, give me that one panado. It's a free word, it's your choice. My time to stream, nobody. It's about mistake. Please, my loving people, what are you waiting? I want to ask one simple question now. If you share me to 5 people, what you go do your data? If you share me to 10 people, what you go do your phone? Share me out. Yeah, today I want to give you an update to be say day grand and I need you guys' opinion so that we go tackle this thing. Yeah, I did a video about child benefit. Some people misunderstanding themselves. My balance way problem, you know, concern me. If you want put comments, go there, go put the comments. No come my inbox because you know balance way. They begin to tell me what I want, what I want. Watch the video to the end and see what in balance way talk. No go use first word when I use there, begin to tackle me. If you born for yourself. If you no born, no consign me. None of my business. Yes, come and join us online business. Element business is real, my people. It's really, I swear with my life, this is real. We don't collect the money. So what do you wait for? What do you wait? Be in your home and be working. Simple as ABCD. Before the COVID go finish now, we are still in COVID. So come and work online. Some of us that say after the COVID, I go look for a job. Come online. Yes, what you carry me content about bonuses for children. Bonus for children. You don't dey cause fight for many couples. As I did the video last time, person one come talk as it take be. Another person come in, tell me own personal problem, which she need my own advice, and I have done that. But I want you guys, as my good follower, to support in this advice because we need it. Many of us are dying silently. Many of us are dying in the name of have child for him. Wake up. You don't have child for him. You have child for yourself. This time around, I fear no fucking anybody will come disturb me for my inbox. I'm ready. See, this time around, I'm ready for now. As I go say, this year my lipstick don't change. Black lipstick means say I don't black anything when one come my road. I will black on a match, no nothing they happen. Yes, this child benefit, we get different type of child benefit. It's for child. Listen and listen good. Katakwisi is for child. Katare is for child family, but they don't cancel that one. Why some ones still exist? You understand me? Ready to the emergency. Not only for child, it's for everybody. That one come because of COVID. If you don't know it today. Ready to the emergency come because of COVID. So after COVID, they go cancel her. Ready to chitadinansa. That one is for everybody. So if you're ready for child benefits, it's not because also you get child, they do them for everybody. But katakwisi, yes, katakwisi is only for child. If you don't get pikin, if you do katakwisi, that one is for child. Bonus baby is for child. They call them bonus baby. It's for child. Later the emergency is for everybody if you are qualified. Chitadinansa is for everybody if you are qualified. They are not for child. They are not for child. Come for me and call for you back. Listen good for child benefits. Katakwisi is for child. Bonus baby is for child. Mama baby. Listen to the sound. Mama baby is for the mother. So today I come because of this mama baby. Many couples are fighting because of mama baby. Mama baby is for the mother. Oga, you give your account number doesn't mean that the money is you. The money is yours. The money is not yours, for Christ's sake. When I know say saving the can spoil if you don't get documents, you know if you do this residence, yeah. Before anybody can do residence, but once saving the can spoil everything. If you don't get documents, you know if you do residence. So some of the mothers who that cannot be able to afford the residence, they use their fathers or they use their husband or they use their fiancé do mama baby with the husband account. So when they put that money into the account, the man say na money o, na pikin money o. Who does that? Who tell you say mama baby na pikin money? You know, most of us they misunderstand because if you want to go do them, they go say one do bonus baby. As you want to do bonus baby, all of them will be the same bonus baby. No, you get different name. Assuming I have my documents here, I have to just bring a show now. When I want to go do my own woman, carry pen, put her for me, say, this is Mama Bebe. It's for you. So I know come for this my channel, come talk with me, no. If I know, I know they talk. That's sometimes the carry news come, I go to say, but as we talk about it, I say, I don't know much about it. Mama Bebe is for the mothers, not for family, not for child. It's for mother. The country will legit very well. Check say this woman carry pikin for 9 months. Therefore, we need to appreciate the mother. Ma tell una the meaning of Mama Bebe. Olden days during our father's time, if your wife born pikin, you go buy special thing where she love most. Now people will get money do am, people will get money now. Poor man no dey fit do am, but before poor man dey do am. When you give your woman belle, they begin the plan. Ntoreka George, Hollandis, Mroka. You go buy for your woman because she won't born for you. And when she don't born, some they kill goats, some they kill cow. But then I was in Italy, can't check by themselves. Government will legit very well. They can't check by themselves. Can't talk say, Mama need to appreciate with 800 euros. I ready for now. I don't fear no fucking nobody. See, this mother will born pikin, she need to be appreciated with 800 euros. That's what I said. They want pay this mama 800 euros. Why the pikin when they born 160 euros? This is called Mama Bebe, bonus Bebe. Ma Karana go back to this family matter. So this woman not gonna get resident to do her poster pay. Then maybe now we say they don't talk say no more Nigeria for poster. So she have to give her husband poster. They can't do her. They can't do them. Okay, bring the money and can't be problem. Can't be problem. I beg, if you see my video, share them. Put your comments. If I do video for now, to go there, go put comment. You come from my backside, they tell me, say you are right, you are doing a good job. What kind of fucking good job am I doing that you cannot appreciate me in public? Go to the public and put it there. Mama Bebe is for the mother, not for the family, not for the child, not for the husband. Oga, go withdraw that money, give your wife. Go and withdraw that money, give your wife. Now her money. Yes, if you the whole bonus Bebe, that one I picking money. Now two of una know how una take agree marriage issue. I already put mouth, so rather I will advise una. So how two of una take arrange una self una money matter. That one I concern una. For me and my own family, I arrange my own way. It takes sweet me because I mean hango. I jack the picking for 9 months. Now what? For that 9 months, I need to sleep fine. But you are busy sleeping, snoring, In terms of money, you can't know say I need to be the family of the house. Huh? When money don't come, you can't know say be family. What kind to go and hustle as others are hustling? I'm sorry to speak this word, but I have to speak it. It's only a lazy man fight for child benefit. A lazy man, I speak it. A lazy man fight for child benefit. In your country, who they give child benefit? So when we call the bragger, picking money, money. Eh? It's our money. Picking money is our money. Me and you money. Then as a woman who carry the picking for the 9 months, I have the title to hold it. Because when picking go cry for road. She need ice cream or she need ice cream. I want to buy this thing, fancy thing for the child. I'll begin to call the husband waiting for work. I'm not gonna check and balance about myself now. Check and balance about yourself. I don't want to go too much details about this family, but all I want to say is that Mama Bebe is for the mother. If your wife use your own account and do it, please withdraw it and give her. It's her money. And talk about the child. Oh, anything I want to do not talk on a child, not do it. Basarom. Yes, Basarom. So if you enjoy this, my advice, you share. If you don't enjoy it, you down to yourself. But you consign, not consign. I have already speak my mind. In our YouTube channel, the reason why we get our YouTube is to educate people what they know or what they don't know. Or also you to educate me what I know, what I don't know. So if you see I'm wrong, just contact me. Balance where you are wrong on this. Fine and good. It's my own opinion. Speak your own opinion to the world. Let everybody hear it. Go there, right there. Speak your own opinion. Let everybody hear about your own opinion. So place and place. Stop intimidating your wife because of she used your account number and do it. For me, nothing wrong to use your husband's account number and do it. But it's something wrong when I ask you the money, you're not gonna give me the wrong thing. The wrong thing. Yeah, I will be doubly. Share me out, also subscribe. I love you guys. One love.